Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is, let me see what today is. Crap. Today is the 4th of March, 2016. And I am going to take my first drive in the truck. Had it warm up here a little bit. I had to put the battery charger on it last night. I started it yesterday and it dragged a little bit, so put the charger on it last night, let it warm up a minute. So this is going to be the drive I'm going to use to record this. I got my dash cam pro there, so I've got some errands to run. So we're going to see how I do on an actual out and about today. I'm not going to record every minute that I'm driving. I've got to go to a jewelry store to put some watches and some batteries and get some breakfast and go to the dump to recycle stuff and go see my buddy Bill and then go to do some PT today. So we are gonna find out how good this leg's gonna do. Knee. Alright, boys and girls, here we go. I don't even know what day it is as far as some surgery. I'll put that on the first of the video. I think I still need to pull the seat up some. Correct that when I get to the jewelry store. But I am able to drive, so now I won't have to depend on my wife's car to go anywhere, which is a good thing. Hard to believe I haven't driven this thing since December. But it feels pretty good to be out, so I can do whatever I need to do. So now the next thing will be to strengthen this leg up so I can ride the scoot. So that's my next goal. So I will be thankful for that. As good as place as any, I reckon. Even though a short ride, at least I got to drive some. Which is a good thing. Alright, short and sweet today. So this is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee, driving the truck. For the first time since my knee replacement surgery. So we will catch you guys later. And I want to thank everybody again for the thoughts and prayers and well wishes and everything for my knee surgery, knee update, knee replacement. I'm just so excited to get out. I just can't hold my emotions in. I can't speak explain. So we'll catch you guys later. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.